I have been wanting one of these cars so bad, y'all. I've been trying to keep it a secret, but the G87 literally looks so freaking fire. That's my boy Henry. He got front mount intakes on there. We got a F82, and then this is my boy Henry. He just copped this thing. I'm not too much of a fan of the things that's like on the side, but overall, hey, it looks pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. That thing looks hella good. But look at the, bro, the G87 M2 are literally so clean. Look at these wheels. They look so freaking good. And it's a manual, bro. WG87, y'all. I think we're gonna get a G87 M2 to the channel this year. This is Henry's G87 M2. Looks so freaking clean, bro. Oh my goodness, look at these wheels. The manual as well. The M2 is hard too. Like the M2 just look different, bro. Like it's cool to see an M2. I ain't gonna lie. That G87 M2 fire. That thing actually looks good, bro. I don't know. That M2 I saw at A&A the other day really got me wanting an M2, guys. I think our next car on the channel, I think I'm gonna go ahead and confirm it, will be a G87 M2. I'm gonna go ahead and confirm that. That is probably, not probably, that is what it's gonna be. I love that car so much. I'm working towards trying to get one. I do want a 2025, based on like the steering wheel and stuff. Cause you can go get a 2024 or 2023, and you can get them for, you know, 50, 60K. But I want a high spec one, so it's gonna take me a little longer to get it, but so I can save a little bit of extra money. I want carbon buckets, mandatory, carbon roof, mandatory, or I'll take carbon roof with no carbon buckets. Has to be a 6-speed manual. 2020. So that's my requirements. What I want, if it was my choice, and like, all right, I can spec it. My choice: carbon buckets, the seats, obviously, carbon roof, powder silver wheels. The silver wheels, I just love silver wheels. I really don't like black wheels, if I'm being honest. And 6-speed manual. That's the only way I would get it in 2025. Only way, like that's the only way I want it. But what I'm willing to supplement, if I can get carbon roof, 6-speed manual, and not have the carbon buckets, I would do that, because I can put in a different seat for the M2. M2 is like a track car anyway, so you know, cage, all that other stuff. That's what I would do. But I prefer the carbon buckets, powder silver wheels, 6-speed manual, and carbon roof. With all that, I'm happy. I don't care about the little driver assist, parking assist. I don't care about features. Like, this is my features car, y'all. Like, the next car I wanted to just be like, hey, this is like a clean street car. You know what I'm saying? I want to build that car, take y'all on the journey building a clean street car. And it will be this year. I promise y'all that. It will be this year. When? I'm working on it. I promise you I'm working on it. I have an M2 that I found, and they want $80,000 for it, brand new. And it's like, I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, so before we get into this video, I'm sorry I'm holding y'all up. I know y'all want to see the nitty gritty of the M2, man, but I just want to say, man, make sure you be positive. Make sure you speak positive things over your life. Make sure you just have affirmations. Make sure you reassure yourself, and everything will be okay. But also, you must have hard work. If no hard work, you can have all the faith in the world. You can have more faith than anybody in the world. But faith without works is what? Dead. So just make sure when you're going out and you want to achieve something, you have faith and you are working hard towards it. I told y'all I was working hard towards it. These are clips that were filmed 6 months ago, y'all. 6 months ago, bro. And here we are, almost 7, because it's about to be the end of the month. Like 7 months later, bro, I'm in an M2, bro. A G87 M2. Like, bro, you just never know how things work. Like, you never know how things work out. You never know what happens. Like, just make sure you have faith and you work hard, because God literally, God did. And I also want to say thank y'all for watching. Thank you for supporting me. And if you want to see more on this car, I'm going to be building it. It's bone stock. If you want to see more on this car, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Leave a like and leave a comment so we can push this video out. And when this video drops,
I want you to go to community center, and I'm gonna put a post. What do we do to the M2? And the most liked comment, besides single turbo or something crazy, because I'm not doing that right now, the most liked comment in there, I will do it to the M2. And that's what I'll do to the M2. The first most liked comment, like wheels, I'm not gonna put a downpipe right now because warranty. Car only has what, 56, 80, 60 miles, something very low miles. Ain't even cracked 3 digits in miles yet. So with that being said, man, don't say nothing crazy, but go ahead and go over to the community section. Comment down below what we should do to this M2, and just one final look at all this glory before we get into the video. This is the S58 motor, and holy cow, dude. This thing is so freaking, ooh, LCI, baby. LCI. Let's get this little final walk around. Final walk around. Let's go ahead, open the trunk. Oh man, this thing is freaking fire, bro. Ooh, I don't even want to say nothing. Also, I've been riding with the back seats down so I can hear the freaking exhaust more. Maybe the first mile we do needs to be an exhaust. That's probably what we should do. So first, the most liked comment on this video, actually, the most liked comment on this video on what we should do to this car is what's getting done, bro. Because let me rev it for y'all. Hold on, listen. Now y'all know me, and y'all know that ain't gonna fly. But I'm done yapping. Enjoy the video, and make sure you leave a like. My G87 M2. What is the deal, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. I hope y'all having a great, wonderful day. As y'all saw in the last video, I did say goodbye to my M5 comp, but today we got something new. Let's go, baby. This will be whipping y'all to the dealer. So basically right here, there was no audio, but I had just arrived at the dealership, and I was trying to show y'all the time and all that stuff and take the picture of where I was at. But pretty much what happens in this clip is I'm talking to y'all, and I walk into the dealership. My salesman, I already knew who he was because I talked to him on the phone. So you guys are going to see him in a second. And he pretty much, you know, shake my hand, welcome me in, says what's up and all that. And then I told him, I'm going to go record the M5 over there. And then he's like, okay, your M2's over there. That's when I look over there. That's pretty much what happened, though. And then audio. No, there was no audio. This is what I wanted right here. This is a G90 M5. I will buy one, bro. But that's what I paid for my other M5. Focus. I was not paying. Oh my God. I don't know, y'all. How many now? Ooh, this thing is crazy nice, bro. And it smells so good in here. How big is the back? What y'all think, bro? Should we get a G90? Look at that, the M in the back seat. Hard. This thing is amazing. Let me show you. I'm sitting here. Oh my goodness. Y'all, we might need to get a G90. We might need to get a G90. This thing is so freaking hard. I know y'all can't hear, or y'all didn't hear, but we are at the dealership, obviously. I'm very happy about that. This thing is, bro, look at this vibe. So crazy. Anyways, let's go check out my car. Yo, I wish I had this steering wheel in the M2, so I think I'm gonna upgrade. Look at these freaking, oh my goodness, so hard. Anyways, enough of these cars. Let's go ahead and go look at mine.
Alright guys, here it is, my new to me, well, new to everybody. It has like 15 miles. 2025 G87 M2. And this thing is loaded. Nice steering wheel. Doesn't have the Alcantara, but that is fine. Come on, y'all know I had to go. How do you... Carbon buckets on the back. Looking good. Everything actually looks good. The car has 15.4 miles on it. The carbon buckets are a little tighter than like I expected, but overall, I think I like it. It's a pretty decent car. Comment down below. Let me know what y'all think, man. Carbon roof, of course. It does have the In Performance carbon paddle shifters as well. Sounds good. Looks good. And I don't know. And this does have the S58 in it, so probably go single turbo with it. But y'all know this is my M5 color, so it's like, it's mandatory. I don't know what that camera is. We'll figure all this stuff out, but this is it right now. I'm gonna fill out some paperwork. After I fill out some paperwork, I'll be right back with you guys, and we'll talk more about it. Pulling the car out the showroom floor right now. Hey, y'all wanna see how I came dressed, bro? I got on a white t-shirt, some shorts, and some Birkenstock. Oh my goodness. That car's beautiful. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. G87 is crazy. Let's go. Alright guys, we have finally got the M2 from the dealership, and we are gonna go ahead and get our first fill up. Shout out to Dakota. If you need anything BMW, if you want any BMW car, BMW Athens, ask for Dakota. He's gonna get you right. I was literally probably there for 30 minutes max. Literally probably 30 minutes max. And we got the freaking G87 M2 looking so freaking clean. Guys, this is not the end of the video. I'm gonna give y'all a good review of it, and then we'll talk in a second. All right, y'all, we have finally left the dealership. I drove the car. I freaking love this car, bro. I love it, bro. This is my perfect G87, bro. It is literally perfect, y'all. I love this car. Carbon, bro, the carbon, like, the carbon. Oh my, look at the way the sun hit it. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Did you say carbon? Oh my goodness, we got carbon everywhere. Carbon on a roof too, don't ever think. But y'all, we have so many plans and so many cool things to do with this car. And by the time we get home, we're gonna be at about 70 miles. We at 58 right now. We're gonna be at about 70 miles when we get home. I know y'all want an explanation on the M5, which I got for y'all. Do not worry, M5 explanation coming soon. But yeah, off the showroom floor, we bought it, y'all. We freaking got it. Now, I want you guys to comment down below, what do y'all want to see with the M2? What do y'all want to think? Because I was thinking 1,000 horsepower. That's not here nor there. That's neither here nor there at all. Expect so many more videos with this car. I thank y'all so much. God is good, God is great all the time. My G87 M2, thank you guys for watching. I truly do appreciate it, man. Thank y'all for so much support. Thank y'all for looking out for me. I need y'all to comment down below though, what y'all want to see done to the M2, because we can go so many different routes. We can go track build, drift build, whatever. And I gotta show y'all in the next video, we're gonna do all the features, like we're just gonna do a full car tour, bro. Open the hood, everything. We're gonna do a full car tour of my G87 M2. thumbnail, sorry, my bad. We're gonna do a full car tour of my G87 M2, man, so y'all can see everything that I got, everything that's on here, all that. But I need y'all to like the video. I need y'all to comment down below. I need y'all to support me and push this out, because boy, we just did something big. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.